Hey everyone, it's Alex here from Ninja Teacher and I'm out here in Hanoi, Vietnam, and today we're going to be doing a bit of an apartment tour. So I'm up here for the weekend. I've been visiting some of our English teachers who got started recently teaching out here and getting to know some of them. So we've actually got Becky here. So how are you doing today?
Yeah, I'm good. Feeling a little bit tired after last night because we all went out.
It was St. Paddy's Day, so we were out, had some drinks at a local spot around here. But yeah, thanks for showing us your apartment. We're gonna go look around a bit. So Becky and Rich live here and they've got a little one-bedroom apartment, right?
Yeah, it's a one-bedroom apartment, but I think it's quite big compared to most apartments you get at home, right?
Yeah, it's a nice size. So should we go have a look?
Yeah.
So this is a really nice little street here. Hey, it's like along the lake, so it's very peaceful.
Quiet at night, like you literally like in a lot of Hanoi, all you can hear at night is like motorbikes. In our flat, you cannot hear a thing. Like we're a little bit further away from the centre of Taipei, but it's like 6 minutes on the bike.
Okay, yeah.
So it's really not an issue.
You've got a little parking area here if you have a motorbike. I like how they've got a little toy car there for the kids.
It's so cute, isn't it?
So you take your shoes off when you go in.
We're just so Vietnamese.
Yep.
Locals. There it is.
Cool, nice. So yeah, when I came in, I was like, it's really nice and new looking, you know? It's got, looks like the paint's new.
Yeah, I feel like it must have just been redecorated like super recently, right?
So you've got everything here, like the cooking stuff that you need. You've got a fridge.
It came with like chopsticks and like plates and glasses, that's what they're called.
Nice.
Like it came with like everything we need really, and we bought this kettle. Hey.
Oh, hello.
I know. This is our little foster kitten called Suki. Say hi. Yeah, she just wants everyone to hear her. She's like, please adopt me someone. We got this kettle for like 10k at the market, which I thought was really good. And
So do you do a lot of cooking, or do you guys mostly out?
Never. We came and we were like, we're going to buy loads of fresh herbs and like, oh, we'll get loads of woks, and I think we made eggs once.
Okay.
Because everything's so cheap to eat out, right? Like when I watched your videos and you said that, I was like, yeah, but it must be cheaper to eat in. But it's not, like,
right.
Because like the herbs and stuff are really expensive out here. Do you want me to get a bag?
My bag's getting attacked. You wild animal, you. You've got a TV here. Do you use that?
The TV came and it came with the apartment, and we have like, he's paid for us to get TV channels on it or something.
Okay.
I know, but we haven't really used it because we're like too busy at the moment.
But you could like hook it up to your laptop and watch some.
Yeah. We watch Netflix on it sometimes, but apparently he's put like English TV channels on it as like a present to us, the landlord, for like 4 months, but I know we've never used it.
Okay. You said you got these from Cambodia, right?
Yeah, we bought them like inside Angkor Wat. So that's like, I think it's like a rubbing from a picture that's on one of the walls. That's just like a standard elephant. I mean, you have to have one if you live in Asia, right?
Right.
Just really finding myself and loving elephants.
Did you get the elephant pants as well? You know?
Yeah.
You gotta get those.
Yeah, I did. They don't sell them here though, right?
Yeah, it's more like in Thailand and Cambodia and stuff, right?
So this is the toilet.
So it's just separate from the rest of the bathroom. Like
Yeah, which is nice.
What's up, Rich? You're looking all smart for some teaching?
Yeah, I've got to go now, unfortunately.
Cool.
Got a lesson, kindergarten. So.
Kindergarten, that's need a lot of energy for those ones, huh?
I wish it wasn't a Sunday.
Right.
So I've got to put my game face on and get going.
Oh, we shouldn't have tattooed before they leave.
Oh, yeah. Very feminine tattoo, yeah.
That's awesome.
7 of us got matching tattoos on the second day we were here. You told me I had to mention it last night. Yeah, that's so cool. They arrived and then like, what, you rolled the dice or something like that, and then you all had to get tattoos? Yeah, we all got a 3 because we rolled a 3 on the dice. Quite a few of the people that went through Ninja Teacher, there's like 4 or 5 of you. That's Ninja Teachers and then 2 who were like. And they all got tattoos. That's awesome. Yeah, this is the bathroom and also Suki's bedroom. So that's why the cat stuff everywhere.
It's got a separate shower. That's good.
But it makes me feel like I'm on holiday when I live here. Because, you know, like the tiles and like everywhere's really white.
Nice big bedroom.
It's so, as well, the bed is so big. And this is balcony.
Nice.
It's a shame it's a bit smoggier today, but when it's sunny, the view is like so pretty, honestly. And like we just chill out. We've got like some chairs there, just sit out in the sun, like drinking coconut. I think it's like 10k a coconut or something. Just like
Nice.
they sell them at the side of the street.
You're doing some lesson planning earlier, right?
Yeah, just got a plan for this lesson I've got.
Because you got the time wrong.
Yeah, I thought it was at 5 o'clock, but it's at 3. So
right.
Hence the panic.
yeah, a bit of a rush job.
Cool. Good luck with the lesson.
Yeah, cheers. I've just ordered my grab bike, so. should
Cool.
be
Why are
easy.
you getting a grab? Oh, we don't have the bike. Oh,
Yeah.
yeah, we left the bike at Jess's last night. Oops.
Oh, I see. You rented one bike between you two?
Yeah,
Yeah.
Becky doesn't drive yet.
I'm
but,
too scared.
The bike's a bit big for her,
Yeah.
so yeah, she just gets on the back and I ferry her around.
Yeah, he's basically my chauffeur.
Yeah.
The driving here is kind of crazy, right? You get used to it,
You do,
and
yeah.
there's a system, but people get a lot more close than they would do at home.
Right.
Like, and they're just dead chilled about it. They're like,
Yeah.
whoops.
You're saying it's about $550 a month?
Yeah, it's $550 and all bills are included apart from electricity.
Nice.
Like we looked around loads of places, and we definitely could have got somewhere a lot cheaper. But for us, like, we really wanted a balcony.
Yeah.
That was our most important thing. Like every time when I thought about moving to Vietnam, I always thought like doing yoga on the balcony. But like we looked around other ones in like Ba Dinh
Yeah.
that were like really, really nice. Like some of the houses were like phenomenal. But just for us, we wanted the Tahoe
So, yeah.
location.
Cheers, Rich. Have a
Nice
great
to
class.
meet you,
Yeah, you too.
Yeah, so I think like the options that we're here for apartments are so good. Like we've got the most expensive one I think out of all of our TESOL group, but we really like it.
A nice area too, because if you just go around the top, then you're like in that main area of Tahoe, and there's lots
Yeah.
of bars and coffee shops and restaurants there. How's it on like this side? Because I never really came this side when I was living out here.
It's really nice. Like if we go that way, then we get to like she's chewing my fingers. Wait a second. Yeah, if we go that way, it's like more of a local area. So
Right.
there's like beers for 6k, which is
Oh,
pretty
yeah.
nice. And I get my nails done, like shellac nails done for 80k, which is like super duper cheap. That's like £2, yeah. And she like
Okay.
takes them off and puts them on again. So I quite like that because we've got like that side like local like cheap amenities, and then we go that way and like that's where all our friends live.
Overpriced
Yeah.
expat stuff.
All the pizza.
Is there Vietnam? You know, with the three
yeah,
names there?
that's where we order
Right.
from.
Yeah, you can order online then.
Yeah, we got pizza last night when we got in at like midnight. Yes,
Oh yeah.
it was good.
Yeah, I got like a doner kebab or something like that when I got back.
Did you walk back?
No, because it's pretty far to the old quarter to
Yeah.
walk.
Oh yeah,
So I
that's
took
why
a
you're staying in Tokyo.
took a Uber. Have you been enjoying the teaching and living out in Hanoi?
Yeah, like when I first, because I was introduced to it through your videos, and I never really thought about the teaching aspect as much. I just wanted to go and live somewhere different and travel. And then when I started the TESOL course, I realised like I really enjoyed the teaching, and it actually really surprised me.